What's going on, boaters? Are you looking for a fishing boat but still want the pontoon? The 2027 Premier Angler is the one for you. This one's fully loaded out. Let's check out a few features. Starting off here in the front, you have your 2 chairs with rod holders, and on each side you are going to have some tackle, cup holders, more rod holders, wireless phone charging pads, and then on this one we do have the stow and troll. So your trolling motor is going to stow right in here. All you have to do, lift it up, and it goes off the front up here. Really nice feature, so it's out of the way. You have your L-shaped couch with more tackle storage right here, compartment above it to keep whatever you want in there. You have your captain's chair with a Simrad touchscreen display, wet sounds audio throughout the whole boat. And then in the back, you also have 2 more chairs. You have panels that you can either keep closed, or on this side, you have your open water panels, so you can go swimming or just cast off with that. You have your nice big table back here with your minnow bucket, your live well, extra storage in here, lots of fishing rod holders, and even some more tackle. It is powered by a Mercury 250, so you're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax in Nisswa, or check it out online at MarineMax.com. Let's get you on the fishing pontoon this summer.